Good morning. Welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I need to get down and spray the last spray of glyphosate on the two new prairie patches so I can throw oats today. And I need to get down here in the west pasture where my daughter is going to have that bonfire tomorrow night and cut up some of the trees that have fallen down there. I'll probably cut up this one as well. I don't have much time, so let's get moving. My mix includes glyphosate with a non-ionic surfactant, and I use laser as an indicator. This should be the last time I have to spray the prairies. Well, I don't think I can spray the prairies again because once the oats comes up, I can't spray the oats. I could spray it with 2,4-D or tricopler, but not with glyphosate. But it's getting so late in the year, even those won't be that effective because nothing is growing very actively now. On the way over there, the first prairie patch is right there. I'm going to stop over here and check out the rain gauge. My wife says it's right around 4 inches. Yeah, still haven't gotten to this corn yet. Got to get out there and fix that stuff. Oh yeah, we put it out in the middle of the yard last night. It is, I would call that 3 3/4. We lost power last night for 3.5 hours or so. And the Kickapoo River is expected to be 25 feet over flood stage, I think by the end of today. I think that's what my wife said. We have 13-mile-an-hour winds today, but all I'm doing is spot spraying the little bit of green that's here. There's not much, and then I have to get down to the end of the property there and spray down there. Then it's just a matter of tossing oats and kind of stepping them in. Hopefully they'll get started here. This area has plenty of grass roots, so I'm not worried about it washing away, but I would like a cover crop growing. Not a whole lot here. A few blades of grass started out here and there, and a lot of little ground level stuff. But it all needs to be gone next year. I'm going to start fresh with the prairie grasses here. This area right here, I don't know if I think I'm going to hand seed it with the main variety and then use, start a bunch in pots and intersperse those in with the other stuff, and get a variety of grasses right away, grasses and flowers. So This will be a little more complicated than the little blue stem, which is right there. But it'll be a good test bed. I'll also be planting over by the savanna, which by then should be actually connected to this. It should wrap all the way around. I'm right behind the house over there. And by spring, I should have this section and that section connected. And I should have a shit ton of trees cut over the winter. But I will have, I'll likely have, a pretty big pile of stuff to burn, unless I can get it burned over the winter as well. So not a lot to spray here. Some of this stuff is actually already dying back, but once spring comes and the cool season grasses start growing, a ton of seeds will sprout here. So there'll be a bunch of sprays in the spring too, until this dies back. Okay, a little more up as it goes to the point there, and then I got to get down there to the north one. I came down here to this cul-de-sac to turn around so I could spray the north pasture, and I found this. It's 2 trees that fell. No, there's 3 actually, and they're leaners, and I don't see an easy way to get those down. I'll just leave them until winter will knock them down. We get some high winds during the winter and a lot of trees fall, but it's pretty much never ending with the fallen trees on the road. Hit pretty hard, enough to jam that into the ground, but I'll just toss this out of the way, turn around and get back to work. But I do know that these could fall at any time. A good wind will take them down. Nothing much really holding them up. And that other one, that back one, is on top of this one. They're going on different sides of the tree though. And that one has a fork that's holding, oh yeah, that's what's holding everything together. There's a fork there. Oy, oy, oy. My last spray was up there by that walnut tree, and now I'm down by the rock road, and this stuff is all new since the last time I sprayed it. I never did get some of this grass, like the grass in front of the, or under the birdhouse there. So I just got to touch up, get what I can, and toss the rest of the oats down here. And then that'll do it for the prairies for now. Well, that about wraps it up. Got both pastures sprayed and planted in oats. So they should be good to go. Possibly a little bit of a spray of 2,4-D after the oats are established. And I'm going to toss a bit of fertilizer on everything at some point. But that's it for today. If you like the video, click on the thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the update button if you want to receive notice when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.